Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at DAS Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2019 Ford E-350 Super Duty, a 16-foot box truck with a ramp on the back. This truck's in really good condition. Got some nice tires on the front. A lot of tread left on those. Same thing with the tires on the back. Some nice Firestones. A lot of tread left on those as well. Now this box has been repainted. A nice fresh coat white paint, as well as the back bumper and step have been repainted as well with an anti-rust chassis saver paint. And this box is in immaculate condition. We have replaced the floor, so brand new floor here. And the walls have been repainted on the inside as well. This truck is looking brand new. Now we have replaced the engine in this truck with a brand new factory Ford engine. And I'll get into that a little bit more here in a minute. Now taking a look inside the cab here. This truck, like all of our trucks, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out, as well as underneath the hood. Interior is looking great on this vehicle. No rips or tears in the seats. Let's go ahead and fire this truck up. Now, the truck does have 80,313 miles on it, but we have replaced the engine in this truck with a brand new Ford factory engine. It's a 6.8 liter V10, and that does come with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. So, brand new engine on this truck. Kind of a rare find, so. No lights on the dash, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Taking a look under the hood here, all the filters and fluids have been changed, and it's been detailed under here as well. And again, just to hit it home, we did replace this engine with a brand new Ford factory engine. So this vehicle has only 80,000 miles on the truck and little to no miles on this new engine. So come get it while it lasts. This truck is ready to get to work right away. And there you have it, a 2019 Ford E-350 Super Duty 16-foot box truck with a brand new 6.8 liter V10 Ford factory engine with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. This truck is in great condition inside and out. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.